Hey guys, what's up? Rachel here. If you're coming back to my channel, welcome. And if you're new here, welcome also. Today we're going to do a video to showing you guys what 3 products I use for my face. And some of you guys may know that I am a Younique Presenter and I've been slacking a lot lately. And I haven't been selling or anything or posting videos on my social media, Facebook or anything. So I figured I've been asked multiple times what I do for my face. I did have a sunburn, like a really bad one, and I'll post a photo maybe here or post a photo after here. Okay, so I got rid of my sunburn from my little aloe vera plant and also my cream. I used my night cream mainly and then also rose water, which is amazing for your skin. I'm going to show you guys the 3 products that I use, and I'm going to show you how I switched it up throughout the day and the night. So firstly, it's called Racheldulanski, and I am not sponsored by anything in this video. I'm just a presenter. I'm just going to show you guys what I use for my skin, and I'm not telling you have to go buy it or nothing like that. I'm just going to show you guys because I've been asked what I use for my skin, and my skin has been glowing, and oh my goodness, like I cannot rave enough. So this is my cleanser, this is my serum, and then I have 2 little bottles, little cup things. This is my daytime and it is tinted. This is my nighttime. I used my nighttime for my face when I had my sunburn. I was outside for like maybe 2 hours on, what's today? Today is Saturday, so on Tuesday or Wednesday, and I got really sunburned. I don't know. But this is my tinted. This is how dark it is. If you guys can see that. Looks scary, I know, but once you put it on, it's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Something like that. Okay, so when I took my test, or I took the skin test, I said I wanted pore diminishing. I said pore diminishing, dull skin, and redness. The dull skin part, they gave me a glow booster and a hydrating booster, of course. And then the tinting booster, pore diminishing, and I believe it was calming booster. Yeah, calming booster, hydrating, replenishment, pore, tinting. Every one of them have a different booster. So if you guys would want to get through this with me, and as you can tell, my face is a little bit darker. Like, it looks nice. And you can also tell I'm in a different area tonight. Colt and I officially finished. Today is Saturday, the 27th of April. We are out of our apartment. We are done. We are staying with Colt's parents for a little while, and then we're going to be moving. But this is our future home someday. If we ever get our acts together and our finances proven, it will be our home. No, but really, they are leaving it to Colt when they pass. But like I said, finances come first, and you got to make sure you can afford it because it's a really pretty ranch home, like a country ranch styled home. So it's really pretty. And the bathroom's like really pretty too. But anyway, so we're going to be staying here. We're not moving into our next apartment until May 18th. And in the next apartment, some of you guys already know, we have a dishwasher. I'm so beyond excited. We have central air throughout the apartment, heating. We have like a little digital thermometer on the wall. We can just change it to cool or hot instead of having to worry about sweating to death in the middle of the summer or anything else. And we're downstairs. We have sliding glass doors. We have a little patio area we could use. Our dog can come. Our 2 cats can come. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so we're gonna get down to this. And you guys can follow me. And just to warn you though, it's not gonna be the prettiest video, but you guys definitely wanna see this. So let's go to the video. Ladies and gents, the first thing I do is I remove my glasses. And look what happened today. Novelle, if you guys can see this. Novelle kicked me in the face because I was trying to change her diaper. And they broke, like the screw, what do you call that? The screw, like, we couldn't get a screw to fit. It was stripped. And, like, the socket is stripped now. So, I'm going to have to call my doctor, my eye doctor on Thursday and get an appointment. So, okay, this is the part that is not going to be the prettiest. I'm not like Neutrogena or Carrie Underwood who just, like, takes the water and just splashes it on their face and makes it look so beautiful. This is going to be messy. This is going to be ugly. So, but we're getting the water ready. Okay, so while we're getting the water ready, a few things we're gonna talk about. So this Racheldulanski, and it's custom to your skincare, so it's called Brittanyology, Emilyology. Doesn't matter, it's custom to you, so you get to choose it. So it's cruelty-free. That's really hot. It's cruelty-free. It's not tested on animals. It's good for your skin. What are some other things? It's paraben and sulfate-free. It's just beyond good. So we're gonna wet our face as best we can. Wet my eyeball. Okay. Now we're just gonna take my cleanser, and I'm just gonna put on the bottle. It says 2 or 3 pumps. Normally I put 5, just to make sure. We're just gonna put 4 tonight. We'll say. That's all you need. Rub it in between my hands. And you're just making that work for you. And like instantly when you put it on, it tightens your skin. It makes it feel nice. It's not like if you take a bar of soap and put it on rub it into your face, it makes your skin like so tight. It's not like that at all. It's like a different tightness. Like it's like a tightness. And as you can see, we're getting it working up in there. Okay, then I just rinse my hands. I let it sit for like a few seconds. We need to warm this water up just a little bit more. The water's so hot over here. Over where they live. But they live in the middle of like where we did live and where we're gonna be living, so. And I just go ahead and, it's not pretty. I just let my hands and like do this the best I can. Because I can't like just, because I don't know how to do that. Got some in my eyeball. Don't do this at home, guys. Don't be getting it in your eyes or anything. Told you guys. It's not the prettiest removal. You'll like the next part though. And sometimes I do go down my neck. I'd rather wash my face in the shower because it's so much easier, but. And make sure you're going over your eyebrows. And if you have makeup on, make sure you wash that off first before you use this. I mean, you could use it without washing it off, but it's so much easier and it works so much better if you just do it the other way. Okay. And this mess. Let's show you guys this mess. Do you see all that? Told you, not the prettiest. And then your hair sticks to your face. Oh boy. You can just dab it off or you can wipe. Whichever you like to do. We're just gonna wipe this up real quick. All right, so now I'm gonna take off my ring because I'm gonna add a little bit of moisturizer just to my hands because my hands get wet, they get pruny so quick. And I'm gonna just dry them off a little bit. Okay, so first step, done. It's first step to my skincare. And I didn't have any makeup on today, so I didn't wipe it off. Normally I would take a baby wipe and wipe off all my makeup, and then I'd add that, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna go on my serum. And I'm gonna pump 2 pumps of this. Whoa, like that's a lot. You don't need that much, like at all. I don't know why I did that. And then I just pat it around my face. And also too, because my face is now tan for the most part, this will make your skin glow even more. And it'll hydrate it so that your tan stays longer. I'll just get down for you guys to be able to see. And make sure you're getting that bridge of your nose also. And right under your eyes, because it'll take care of any worry lines that you might have. Some call it worry lines, some call it wrinkles. Just make sure you're not pulling on your eyes. Like, some people take their eye like this and do makeup. Don't pull on your eyes, because it will cause wrinkles. I go down my neck, make myself beautiful. Alrighty. I just rub the rest into my hands, because I don't want my hands to age, you know? Alrighty. Here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in my nighttime cream. You guys can see that. It's not tinted, it's just normal. It doesn't say on the bottom. It just says see boosters for warnings. I was gonna tell you exactly what was in this one. It's okay. Now, it's about enough as I'm putting on there. And I always go up where I would highlight. That's in the main area where I add it to. It doesn't have to be in the exact spot, I just do. I don't know. I don't know if it makes a difference. Just how I do it, guys. And you asked for my skin routine, so that's what's going on. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Okay. And you guys can see like some of the boosters were yellow in here. They mixed, they just didn't mix fully. Okay. Now we're just gonna rub that in. I'm mainly focusing around my nose and on my cheeks because it does have a calming booster in it. So it's gonna help me sleep, especially since you're adding it at nighttime. And it's also gonna make my skin feel relaxed, go down your neck, underneath your eyes. You can put this on your eyes like as I'm doing right now. It's not gonna hurt you. Like I said, our products are hypoallergenic. They're not tested on animals. They're paraben and sulfate free. They're really good on your skin because Younique cares about our main organ. Our main organ and the biggest organ on our whole entire body is our skin. Especially our face too, because it sees the most. I mean, you could cover up your arms and stuff with long sleeve shirts and pants for your legs, but you're not really going to be able to cover up your face. Not all of it, at least. I mean, maybe if you're a certain religion, you can or you will. But you can wear a big sun hat also, but it's not always going to cover up your face. So, this is what my face looks like. I mean, you can still tell I have a little bit of redness here and on my cheeks, but my skin has not looked better, and my forehead too. So, all right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining in for my video, and thank you for watching my skin routine. If you guys have a skin routine, let me know down below. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done already, and if you like this video, hit that like button. Go ahead and click your notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Oh, so you don't miss a I'm just gonna stop. Okay, so in case you don't want to miss a future video, go ahead and click that button down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm hoping that I'm gonna start a series here soon, and we're gonna be moving into our own place here soon. And I'm gonna be showing you guys from the beginning to the end how we decorate it. Hopefully it's similar to what we had already decorated before. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye.